Them ditches ain't deep.
You're
I've
good
been
now.
up. You're good now. Get over there. Quick shout. Yeah.
God damn!
Yeah. Look, it drives like a Bronco. This shit ain't shit. I had more struggle than Harley's mom's scoops.
Oh yeah?
What's that? You taking a video?
You fucking right I am!
That's dumb.
You're down.
He's seen the power of the Duramax. Right, Matthews?
Something like that.
God damn.
God damn, this shit's fun. Where's the, oh! Ah! I just got cigarette ass and fucking snow all over me. Ah! 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 I can't breathe.
No, that shit's fucking
Oh my god! Oh, the shit.
What the fuck you guys do?
Oh my god!
What you guys do?
You're gonna make me shit my pants.
Oh my gosh.
Well, I fucking
coming to the end of the road.
he threw a cigarette out and fucking doused me in fucking cigarette ashes and snow.
Oh my god.
Guys,
Go right.
go right.
Or we go straight. We ain't going straight. It's fuck through. Let's go right. Left.
Let's
Left I
fucking
meant.
fence.
Left I meant.
We don't go right.
Okay, we'll go back left to get off in that ditch again.
Oh fuck.
Ditch your pussy. Turn. Go out in that field and turn around. Turn around and see if Freddy follows. God damn! Freddy's coming wild! Damn! Go that way, go that way. Yeah, come on, fuck. We don't gotta get that shit perfect, right? With what's done. Yeah, we can nab it. Hard enough. Fucking nab it.
Oh.
Freddy's out there. Now turn that fucker off. Go straight. Yes.
There's a road up here.
Yeah, we turn left too.
We want to go right.
Yeah, right, and then left.
There he goes. Oh, I thought he was stuck.
The fuck? What the hell's wrong with your fucking radio? Get up. Shut that fucker off, Harley.
It is.